Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video according to your Elements of Accounts Part 1 of Standard 12. All of you know the fifth chapter was going on, that is admissions of the partner. In this fifth chapter, the theoretical part, the illustration side as well as the exercise few questions I taught you. Today onwards, I want to do the revisions for your coming unit test. So fifth chapter video for few days I want to stop it. After completing your second unit test, then once again I will come back to the fifth chapter exercise practical sums. I already told you the second unit test, it will be conducted by the board on 27th and 28th of this month, August, and this time board is going to take the three papers. One is English, accountancy, which is called Elements of Accounts, and the economics. Elements of Accounts, the portions I already told you, first four chapter are included. Simultaneously, your economics teacher and English teacher may be already given your portions, and it is a 25 marks test like that first unit test. So let us start the revisions for your coming unit test for accountancy. First fourth chapter, which things you have to go through for this exam, that I wrote it here chapter wise. Today I will explain in which chapter, which part you have to go through in details, and according to that you follow it, make the revisions. And next video I want to make practice of few exercise as well as the illustrations type of sums what is going to come in this your coming exam. You follow that one very strictly. This is, I have written it here, the revisions for unit test on accountancy. This time three papers unit test is going to conduct within 2 days. That means in one day, either in the first day or in the second day, the two paper test will be there, because 2 days test, three papers are there. Which day which two papers will come, that I will tell you afterwards. Paper style still I did not know, but according to my opinion, the paper style, it will be all type of questions. It will be the MCQ, it will be the 1 or 2 line question answer, it will be the short type of sums, it will also be the long type of sums, because you know that what chapter 2 is included, and chapter 2 is the final account of the partnership, where a long practical sums will give you 11 marks. So that is better to keep ready for all type of sums from all the first four chapters. Which chapter, which part you have to go through, you follow this one very carefully. The chapter 1, which is called the Introductions to Partnership Firms, I wrote it here. Here the first one, which is called the theoretical part, just you once or twice you read, you go through it, page number 1 to 9 according to your textbook. I have seen your textbook. By seeing that one, I have written it here, and the place wherever I am telling, there you go through it. For chapter 1 theoretical part, page number 1 to 9 you read it. Next is coming illustrations. All this 1, 2, 3, 4, all this fourth chapter, all illustrations you have to go through. First chapter illustrations, that is 1 to 12. You are having the 12 illustrations, and this page number 1, page number 14 to 20, according to your textbook, page number 14 to page number 20, the illustration 1 to 12 one by one you go through it, and then you come back the exercise. Exercise page number 29, the question number 1, which is MCQ, question number 2, which is for section B, and question number 3, that is question number under the 3, question number 1 to 11, that is all short type of questions are given. So chapter 1, these 3 things you will go through: theoretical part page number 1 to 9, illustration 1 to 12 of page number 14 to 20, and exercise of page number 29, question number 1, 2 and 3 you will get the short type of questions. So that also you will go through it, and this one is for MCQ, this 2 is for section B, 1 or 2 line questions answer. If you are doing this one, what I wrote it here, that is enough for chapter 1. Now come back for chapter 2. Chapter 2 is the final account. All of you know the final account means it is a 1 questions long practical sums according to your board paper style. 11 marks 1 questions is coming, and for that whatever the illustration is given, that is illustration 1 to 10 of page number 45 to 73. According to your textbook, page number 45 to page number 73, the illustration number 1 to 10, all these illustrations including the additional informations, adjustment, questions and solutions, it is given in your textbook. One by one you go through this all. Then you come back for second one, that is called exercise questions of page number 76. According to your textbook, page number 76, you open it, and there you will find out the question number 1, which is MCQ. All these MCQ questions, it is given in the page number 29, page number 76. Answer it is given of MCQ at back. So you get the answer, first you try to solve it. If you are not possible by you, then you get the answer from back. Even though if you have doubt, you mark it and you can contact with me to clear your doubt. Next you come back that question number 7 of page number 88 to page number 78 to page number 88. Sorry, this is question number 7 onwards, the exercise question started of page number 78. Let me open it, page number 78. Page number 78. Yes, page number 78, the question number 7. It is started, the exercise questions, and still it is going on from 7 to I think 19. Last is coming, page number 87, question number, page number 87, question number 19. So you will go through that page number 78 to 88 of question number 7 to 19. All this 7 to 19, all these practical questions, answer also already you have done. From this all exercise, few I have done, and that which I have not done, I think that you tried to do it. Even if you have not done, you do it and make the practice for once or twice these all practical questions of page number 78 to 88 of question number 7 to 19. This is enough for chapter 2. Now come back for chapter 3. Chapter 3 is valuations of the goodwill. That you should know. The first name of the first chapter is introductions of the partnership. Name of the second chapter is final account of a partnership firm. Name of the third is valuations of the goodwill. Valuations of the goodwill, in this chapter one theoretical questions may come for 3 marks, may or may not. That is better you have to get it ready. For theoretical part of page number 89 to 90, according to your textbook, page number 89 to 90, you go through this all the points regarding the valuations of the goodwill, whatever it is given, that you go through it. Then you start going through the illustrations of page number 91 to page number 101. Page number 91 to page number 101, the how to calculate the amount of the goodwill, the 4 methods what I taught you, that type of questions, illustrations, the questions as well as the solutions it is given, that is from illustration 1 to illustration 9. That you go through is first, then you start doing the exercise questions. Exercise questions, the same thing, question number 1. Every exercise question number 1 is called MCQ. All this MCQ you go through it. I told you answer it is given at the back. Then question number 2 for section B, 1 or 2 line question answer. Then practicals. Practical it is started 4 to 12 of page number 105 to 106. Page number 105 to page number 106 you will get the practical questions, the question number 4 to 12. What I wrote, this point 1, 2 and 3, these 3 if you are doing from this chapter, I think whatever the questions is coming from this chapter, it will be possible to do it by you. Next is coming the 4th chapter, which is called reconstructions. Reconstructions of the partnership firm. In this chapter, the first point, that is called illustration number 1. The illustration number 1 of page number 109 to illustration number 12 or page number 133. That means page number 9 to page number 133, all this illustration which is started from 1 to 12, that you will go through it. Once if you are understanding this all illustration, then when you will go through these exercise questions, it will be, you will feel easy to do it and you will get interest to do it. Until and unless if you do not understand the illustrations, you will feel difficult to understand the exercise questions, and also you will not get interest to do it. If you are understanding the illustration, then you will get more interest to do these exercise questions. The exercise question, page number 137 of question number 1 to page number 138 of question number 2. So page number 138 question number 1 and page number 137 so page number 1 and page number 138 of question number 2, that is for MCQ and section B. Then you go through the question number 4 to 12, that is for practicals of page number 139 to 141. Page number 139 to 141, these practical questions, that also you will do to get the questions from this chapter. According to your board paper styles, I want to tell you the reconstructions of the partnership firm, 3 marks practicals questions will come. Either it will come how to calculate the signifying ratio or gaining ratio, or it may come that from the following information do the revaluations account, or it may come following are the balances you distribute to the old partner according to the old ratio, that is called reserve or accumulated profit. So you have to get ready for all type of sums. What are the type of sums are may come, that also you understand from this chapter 4. Once again I want to tell you how to find out the signifying ratio and gaining ratio, how to do the revaluations account, and how to pass the journal entry for the distributions of profit or accumulated profit or loss or anything else to the old partner according to the old ratio. That type of sums you have to make it practice from here. So the one practical questions it is coming sure from chapter 4. One practical questions it is sure from chapter 3, how to do or how to calculate the goodwill. You know that one, there are the total 4 methods are there to calculate the amount of the goodwill, and this 4 method illustration it is given, and exercise also it is given. I am sure that one question sheet is coming from either illustration or from exercise, that you make it practice from chapter 3. And chapter 2, I am sure one practical long questions of 11 marks will come. They will give the balance sheet as well as the adjustment, and you have to do the final account. How to do the final account, that I already told you. There the total 5 steps are there. According to that you will follow it. Trading account, profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriations account, partners capital account, and balance sheets. For that the illustrations as well as the exercise you will make practice. Here also one questions 11 marks, it's compulsory, it is also you will get it. And from chapter 1 again you will get one short type of questions, it is 3 marks. How to calculate the amount of interest on drawing, or it may come on the basis of commissions, or it may come the some amount it is distributed wrongly, and you have to correct it. Like that illustration as well as the exercise, whatever the sums is given, that you make practice like that. Apart from that things what I told you, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4, and these few days are left for making practice for all these 4 chapter, that you make practice of this 4th chapter. And when I taught you that chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4 from your textbook, apart from textbook, sometime I have given some extra sums to you for making practice for homework, and some of the students they have done it and they have shown me the answer. That also most important. You don't think that the all questions it will come from your textbook, but whatever the types of questions are given in your textbook, like that some will come, but nowhere it is mentioned the questions will come ditto to ditto from your illustration as well as from exercise. It may come like that. So like that few questions I have given to you, that type of questions also you make practice for your this coming exam. And if you, I am sure that what I told you, that if you are following this all from chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 and chapter 4, as well as the questions, extra questions what homemade I made it, and what I have given to you, that also if you are doing, I am sure that out of the 25 not a single marks will be able to deduct from your answer. So if your target is to get the 25 out of 25, the suggestions or the instructions or the routes what I told you, that you follow it, I am sure that you will get it 25 out of 25. So next video, like that few practical questions apart from your textbook. Textbook to whatever it is given illustration exercise that you are doing, but apart from your textbook, extra sums I will make, and I will give the questions, I will solve it, and also I will give some extra question to you for your homework. So that I will give you from chapter 1, that is called introductions of the partnerships, and chapter 2 final account already you will get from your book, that is enough. Illustration and exercise are enough from chapter 2. Chapter 3 valuations of the goodwill, extra sums I will give you, and chapter 4 also how to find out the side effect ratio and gaining ratio, revaluations account and distributions, that also extra sums I will make you practice for in next video, that you will follow it. And after completing your text, then I will go back to chapter 5. So what I said you, that you follow it. All the best. Bye.